will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Americans pictures or and videos up. So all you have to do, just click on settings, and when you click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Go down, just keep going down here, click on apps, then you come to apps list here. In there you're looking for Americans best pics and videos app, or just click on search. Then here at Americans best pics and videos, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down here, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, you click on it here, then you search here for American Space Picture and Videos app. Just you will find here videos, click on it here. Sorry, it's going to show for you like this. Will you find here update, you click on it, then it's going to fix with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.